Welcome. Now it's time to start a discussion about message boxes, and I'm going to type from Tkinter import message box. Then I'm going to type window equals to tk. I'm going to type window dot main loop. I'll create a button here. Button equals to button. It's going to be showing our window. It's going to have a text, click me, and a function, so command click. And let's pack this, so button dot pack. I'll go up here and I'll type def to create a function, click. I'll type message box dot show info. We're gonna have a title which is gonna say this is an info message box. In the message, are you a person? Okay, let's run this. Click me and have are you a person message box. Okay, next let's comment this. Let's type message box dot show warning. The title is gonna be warning message you have a virus. Let's run it. Click me and you have a virus message box. So let's close this. Let's comment this. Let's go on the next line. So next let's type message box dot show error. Show error is gonna have a title of error, so title error, and the message something went wrong. Now if I run this, click me, it says something went wrong. So this is this message box to show error. Let's comment this. I'll go down. Okay, so the next one is message box. Let's push it down. Message box dot ask okay cancel is gonna have a title, ask okay cancel, and the message do you want to do the thing? And we can put this in an if statement because this returns true or false. So if message box, let's put colon here, and I'll type here print you did the thing, else print you cancelled a thing. So if I run this, click me and ask us, do you want to do the thing? Okay, you did the thing. Let's run it again. Click me, you want to do the thing, cancel, and it says you cancel the thing. Okay, let's close this. Let's comment this. Okay, I'm gonna go down, and there are a few others. So let's copy this. Let's go down here. Let's paste it. So let's paste it. Okay, let's uncomment this, and we're gonna use another one, ask retry cancel. Ask retry cancel. Do you want to retry the thing you retried the thing you cancelled the thing? And let's indent this, not this, this. Let's reformat the file. Let's run it. Click me. Do you want to retry the thing? Retry. Yes, you retry the thing. Click me again. Cancel. You cancel the thing. Okay, let's comment this. But let's copy it first and let's comment it. Okay, so let's comment this. Okay, I'm gonna go down here. I will paste this. Okay, the next one is ask yes, no. So ask yes, no. And for the message, let's put here, do you like coding? Let's change this to I like coding. Why you don't like coding? Let's stop this. Let's run it again. Click me. Do you like coding? Yes, I like coding. Click me again. Don't like coding? No. Why don't like coding? Okay, let's close this. Let's comment this. I'll go down here. I'll paste this again. Okay, the next one doesn't return true or false. Just type. It's gonna return yes or no. So I'm gonna type print. I'm gonna put that in the print function. MessageBox dot ask question title ask question. Sorry, it should be title. Title ask question message, do you like coding? Let's run this. Click me. Let's click on yes. Do you like coding? We have yes. Click me. No. Have no. So this returns yes or no. Let's comment this. Okay, the next one is ask yes, no, cancel. So I'm gonna type here print MessageBox dot ask yes, no, cancel. I'm gonna set the title ask yes, no, yes, no, cancel. Message, do you like to code? If I run this, click me, we have yes, we have true, no, we have false, and cancel, we have none. And of course you can put this in an if statements to check for the value, but I'm not gonna do that because I'm lazy. And I'm gonna end this video here, and I'll see you in the next video.